everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see the mess at the background, and you guys have already read the title of this vlog. Yes, I'm finally moving from my basement to a new condo. इस basement में मैं last 1.5 years से थी, so I have a lot of emotions with the whole basement, the whole place. It felt like home, and I am super duper excited at the same time because I am going to a new condo. So from last 1 week we are just packing all the stuff, and you can see the background, still the things are not packed. So I just came from my office and we got the keys, and we have to shift certain stuff that I'll do today. And छोटा बहुत हम आज ही कर लेंगे, but majority of the things we'll do together. So let's just do the final things. Can you imagine we don't have a place to walk properly in our basement? Just look at the whole mess. Oh my god, moving is not easy at all, not easy. मुझे ऐसे लगता था कि सामान है, कोई बात नहीं है, पैक हो जाएगा, but look at this whole thing. We have been packing and packing, still the things are unpacked. So let's go. So one packing hack I'll give you: whenever you are packing your stuff, just mark it down so that जो भी आपके घर में जाएगा, you know what is inside what. Problem with the shifting. The boxes that we have, we didn't realize इनमें handles नहीं है. Like how do we lift it? So इमरान को boxes उठाने में बहुत ज़्यादा problem हो रही है because they are super duper heavy. Some of them have crockery inside. So I don't know. I'm looking for any jugaad which can do Imran's job a little bit easier. Let me figure out what can I do. I found one secret hack. Not secret, it's little risky to make handles at home. So all you have to do, पहले अंदर check करना है, like you know. So now you can hold it better.
I think now I have a better grip. See?
Right?
This is good.
अब easy है ना?
Weightliftings.
Yeah, let's just go.
Let's go then.
So guys, we have left for the round 1 for our new condo. You can see the background, it's fully packed, and it's just few boxes. Abhi to kitna saman baki hai, but we are going to do majority of our shifting tomorrow. Aaj to humne bilkul hi basic sa liya hai because tomorrow it's gonna be a working day, but I have taken a day off. So Imran has certain meetings, so we tried to do certain things abhi. We are super duper tired. Mujhe to itni neend aa rahi hai. Oh god, my legs are paining like hell, but we have to do certain things. That's why we are going, and it's raining like anything. Can you imagine? It's raining on our moving day. Let me show you from the back camera. I don't know why it's raining. It was so normal temperature, but it started raining. Oh my god, just look at this. It's beautiful, but not good on a moving day. So guys, we have done with the round 1 only, and we are super duper tired. You can see from my face for sure कितना ज़्यादा tiring हो गया. Imran, do you want to say something?
Nothing. Now we just have to go to sleep.
Because we have a very hectic day tomorrow. It's 1 AM right now. And I just want to sleep. Oh my god. We have been up since morning. We went to office. 5 AM. Imran woke up at 5 because Imran ko downtown jana tha. Oh my god. This shifting is not easy at all. So yeah, let's go.
But we tried our best to go for a weekend, but
we tried our best. You know, the condo owner is Chinese, so he's little practical with the stuff. So we tried a lot ki Sunday ho jaye, but that's fine. Everything happens for good. Now we are back to our old house, and this is the last night in our basement, so we are gonna go. Good night. See you tomorrow in the next vlog. Not next vlog, sorry. See you tomorrow. Bye. So guys, finally the moving day is today, and I am so emotional right now. अभी ऐसा लग रहा है सब कुछ wrap up हो रहा है, and this place, the more it becomes empty, मेरा दिल को कुछ हो रहा है. Oh God, you know, I have shared a lot of things in this basement. हमने सब कुछ start किया from this basement. Since the time Imran came, we are living here, so it's 1.5 years. Everything is so connected right now. सब कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है, oh my god. I am at the same time excited also because I am moving to a condo. But you know, you have very emotional connection with the place which you start at the very first go. Like इससे पहले भी I was living somewhere else because that time I was living like on a single room. But जब से Imran is in Canada, we have been living here, and right now I am having very mixed feelings, both emotionally and excitement ki. So finally we are going there again, and we are going to put the luggage and bags वगैरह and जितने भी boxes है we have to put today. So let's go before we get late. Everything is packed. So we are all set for the second round. Look at the car. Car is fully packed. Imran, are you ready for day 2? Are you ready for day 2?
Day 2, yes.
Let's go. How are you feeling?
We got the lorry. It's called lorry.
So we got these two things and they are super duper comfortable. And हमारा जो boxes का stack भी बन गया, and we got the stuff here.
Thanks to Raj.
Thanks to Raj, obviously. Thanks to them. So we are just waiting for the lift.
This way, this way.
This way. Just imagine हमने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया है, and it's 5 PM right now.
Pipes, yeah?
Imran is fixing, what is that? That's a rod for the curtain. And we are getting the blinds outside down. So we just got the pizza, and this is our table for the day, and that's seat 1 and seat 2. And we're gonna enjoy this pizza. So we got the furniture here. Here's our bed, जो बिल्कुल pieces में आया, right, Imran?
Yeah.
This is I don't know what end. This is I don't know what end. That is something.
This is front.
I don't know what is this thing. So Imran is trying to figure out. तो सोफा हमारा आ चुका है. सोफा उन्होंने खुद से assemble किया था. And this is the table. This still needs to go inside the table. I don't know what Imran is doing with this thing. So let's see. Wait for the final results. Just look at this mess. I don't know what is this rod. ये भी पता नहीं क्या है. Oh my god. And this person is the person on duty right now. Imran, how are you feeling?
It's tricky though.
And just imagine what it's. He has just started and it's almost half an hour already. So Imran, hopefully कितना? 1-2 दिन?
No.
Then what?
Just few hours.
Let's see. So after 1 hour, this whole bed frame is only ready. Imran, और कितना time?
We almost done.
We are done? अभी तो अंदर का वो लगाना है, partition.
This is just a base.
This is just what?
Base. This is connecting with this, yeah.
Foundation of
Foundation,
the
you
thing.
can say, yeah.
Oh my god, everything is so important. If you miss just one thing, you're gone. So हर कोई, this is the most important 2 things. एक भी कुछ miss हो गया, you're gone for it. So let's see how much time more. See you after maybe 1 hour.
No.
Then
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Now this is something जो हमें इसके ऊपर डालना है, the frame, and these are some wooden things. इमरान, अब इसको कैसे open करो? Open करो इसको?
अभी let me just screw this. करते हैं.
Oh my god, Canada makes you do everything. Now the last moment things. Finally, our bed is ready. So finally guys, we are completely shifted into our new condo. As you can see the change in the background. but 100% अभी भी नहीं हुआ है, because you know when you have shifting from one place to another place it takes you a lot of time, and कभी भी घर जो है वो 100% complete नहीं होगा, never ever. This is what my mom says. मम्मा हमेशा कहते हैं कि 100% कभी भी नहीं होता है, लाइक यू नो देर आर सर्टन थिंग्स, हर टाइम हम या तो चेंज करते रहते हैं या तो हमें कुछ चीजें जो कभी खत्म ही नहीं होती, घर की चीजें तो कभी खत्म ही नहीं होती. दिस इज व्हाट माय मॉम सेज एंड शी इज ट्रू, बिकॉज राइट नाउ वी हैव डन मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द थिंग्स, बट देयर आर स्टिल थिंग्स दैट आर अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड व्हिच विल गो विद टाइम, बिकॉज वी आर सो डन, वी आर सो टायर्ड फॉर द एंटायर वीक जो हमारा पिछला वीक था, एंड नॉट इवन द वीक, लास्ट का मंथ भी जो था रमदान का, ओ माई गॉड, इट वॉज सो टायरिंग फॉर अस बिकॉज वी हैव बीन हंटिंग फॉर द कॉन्डो लाइक एनीथिंग. So you guys know getting a condo here in Toronto is a big pain. Anyway, we got it and we are so thankful for it, alhamdulillah. But yeah, so if you do like the I know this video is in bits and pieces, but that's fine. If you do like it, I'll be uploading more of this video vlogs. The condo will be completely done. I'll make a shoot of that also. If you do like this video, please like the video, and if you do like it, subscribe. Bye, see you in the next vlog.